Are you looking to get a discount on your StockX purchases? In this video, I'll show you how to get a StockX discount code. All you need to do is follow the simple steps in this video and you'll be able to get your hands on a great discount code for StockX.com. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how you can save money on some of the hottest sneakers and streetwear. So first of all, open up your preferred web browser and simply search for StockX discount code. And then click on this exact search result over here, because Google ranks the site that has the latest and working codes at the very top of the page, for convenience and other reasons. So when you are on this site, you will see there are a lot of StockX coupon codes that you can choose from. So for this video, I am going to choose the one that's going to take $500 off. So now what you want to do next is click on Show Coupon Code and it will open up a new tab with your discount code. So go ahead and click on Copy to copy this, and once you have copied the code, click on this link to go to the StockX website. Now you can choose the items that you like and make sure to apply the coupon code at checkout to claim your deal. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.